Here's how to easily add background music to your audio with Descript. I've got my voice track loaded. This could be your podcast, a tutorial, a screen recording, whatever.
Hi there, I'm Ashley from Lionshire.
Now let's add music to make it more engaging. Click Stock, then Audio. Search for a vibe. Let's try lo-fi. Grab a track you like and drag it to your timeline.
Hi there, I'm Ashley from Lionshire, and today I'll
Boom!
guide you through how to
Instant
choose a health
vibe
plan or
upgrade.
health
Now this is the key. Click the track and adjust the volume down so you don't overpower your voiceover. But wait, there's a cheat code. Choose your script track, then toggle on lower audio of other layers. That way, it'll auto lower the music when you're speaking.
Hi there, I'm Ashley from Lionshire, and today I'll guide you through how to choose a health plan.
It'll keep the
healthcare
spotlight on
data.
you instead of on the music. Need it shorter? Just trim it. Need it longer? Loop it. Want to be fancy? Add a fade out at the end. All inside Descript, no bouncing to another app. Posting content without music is like leaving the house without your horse mask. You can do it, but why would you want to live that way? So next time, open Descript, drop a track in, hit lower audio of other layers, and go. You're welcome.